guys, if you want to know, everyone's saying how to make like thumbnails, because like the most watched videos are how to make a thumbnail video. So today I'm going to be showing you. First, you need to go on Photopedia. If you don't know, just use like a mic if you're trying to do this on a phone or anything. And all you have to do, hold on, I'm gonna like get out of here. Here, I'm just gonna show you. But Photopedia is an app where you can make stuff without using Photoshop or anything. So all you have to do is you can pause the video and copy this and paste it in. I don't care. And then all you have to do is press this button. Press new project. I'm gonna be adding to my scary video. If you want to see it, I should be doing it soon. No worries. I'm gonna be copying some stuff. So if you have a laptop, all you have to do is open your files. Like open your files, go to gallery, and pick a photo you want or something. I'm gonna pick. Which one should I pick? Figure it out, Dalton. Figure it out. How about this one? This one looks good. I'm gonna drop it in. You gotta drop it in, and then you can actually size it. If you have like a text or something, you gotta go to edit, press transform, and press scale, and then you should be able to scale it or anything like that. I don't care, but let's just size this down a little bit because I can't see it, the full screen. Okay. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Looking good, looking good. Okay, now that we got the YouTube imported, now we can scale it up or down. So I'm gonna keep it like this. After that, what should I add for the background? So the background is right here. And we can just press that twice to change it. But we're actually gonna delete that. And we're gonna be, I'm gonna like go back in my files and pick up another photo. How about this one? Like, it looks cool. It definitely looks cool, actually. Put this in front of it. So if you want it to be like the first thing that pops up, all you have to do is put it in front or no. It's easy. Just have to do that. But I'm gonna fill this whole screen with this. I might scale that YouTube thing down, but time to put the YouTube thing right in front of this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now the YouTube thing's in front of it. Now all we have to do is scale it down just a little bit. Now I'm gonna copy and paste this just a little bit. Now that we copy and paste it, we can move it around and we can change the direction just by doing that. And now we have this, and all you have to do if you want to do text, just gotta press this and press type tool and press anywhere around. I'm gonna type in the thing so you don't have to wait. And after you're done typing in your thing, all you have to do, if you done, all you have to do is press that, transform, and press scale. And now you can scale your thing as much as you want. I'm gonna scale it only just a big. You can find this in any of my other videos. I am actually gonna post this, so if you want to see it, that's fine. So here we have the scary video. If you want to change it, press this, and then you're able to change it. I'm gonna create it like that. And now after that, all you have to do after that, after you're done, you can just delete. I'm gonna delete this. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna delete this so I can't see. Okay, now that it's deleted, all you have to do is take a picture of it. It ain't that hard. And then after you're done, okay, I'm gonna press the picture icon and take a picture. 3, 2, 1. Boom, it's captured. And now all we have to do is go to YouTube. Now all we gotta do is go to YouTube. After that, just go to YouTube. And then you can post your thumbnail any way you want. So I'm gonna press create, upload video. You can watch the video too, I don't care. I'm gonna press my videos. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, let's upload the first one. This is the first part 1, by the way. Now it's gonna be called SCAR. Scary video. It's made for kids. All you have to do is press the upload video, and this should be our thumbnail. And boom. And now, go next, press public, and publish. Now you can watch this video if you want. I don't care. I'm gonna make a new thumbnail. By the way, don't mention I'm fine. But I'm gonna go back on Photoshop, Photopedia, not Photoshop. New project. Press new thumbnail and press create. Now I'm gonna, no, thanks. But now I'm gonna go to my files and drop this picture back into it. Might look small, but all I have to do is guise it. No worries. Should be able to fit. Boom, it fits. And now we're just gonna have to put a part 2 on here. So, no worries, you don't have to wait.
It looks like a burst.
Okay, all you have to do is press the text button and put it again. So, PART space. I'm just gonna pop. Now we're done with my thumbnail. All I have to do is take a picture of it. So, yeah, this is gonna take a little bit, but it should be fine. I'm just gonna go back on YouTube and put the part 2 scary video. Looks like he's scaring. Like, it looks like he's screaming. Let's just go on YouTube now. Leave. Okay, leave. Now that we have 2 videos, part 2 and scary videos and scary videos part 2. Now, oh my God, oh yeah, that's my recording. But now all we gotta do is go back into YouTube. Here, YouTube. And all you have to do is go to the create button. And now we get to upload the second video. So stay tuned. The videos will be getting cool. Now we got part 2 of our video. So now we gotta put PART, part 2, upload file, gallery, our first video with a custom thumbnail. Well, it isn't our first, but we got some cool thumbnails. But now we got the thumbnail imported. Public, publish. You can watch these videos if you want to. They're actually on my YouTube channel right now. And this one's just uploading. There's this other scary video. No worries, it's fine. It's this scary video. Scary video. And this is scary video part 2. This is one tap. One tap, if you don't know what it is, it's actually a shooting game on Roblox. Well, card tag is really a bomb tag game. Yeah, that's all it is. But I actually been trying to help my YouTube channel for some reason. I actually got a lot more views. Thank you guys. Actually, thank you. I'm very thanked by you guys. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. It's just my subscribe button just right there. I've been working very hard on these videos. You see that? I've been working very hard on these videos. I got 93 videos and I only got 11 subscribers. So please, I'm trying to hit 50. If I hit 50, I will face reveal. No lie. This video also will get published. Make sure if you dial your YouTube name in the comments, I'll give you a shout out. No worries, I'll give you a shout out. Oh, and I like this picture. I'm proud of you. Hold on. Bye guys. I hope you had a great time learning. If this is very helpful, like and subscribe. Bye.